OpenAI has just released Sora, a cutting-edge AI video generation and editing platform that goes far beyond simple text-to-video conversion. Announced earlier in 2024 and long awaited by creators, Sora combines high-quality AI-generated clips with a robust suite of built-in editing tools. At its core, Sora lets you create short videos by typing in a scene description. But where it really shines is its advanced features. The storyboard mode lets you break your video into scenes, specifying unique prompts for each segment and creating seamless transitions. You can also refine your clips using Recut to extend or shorten scenes, Remix to reimagine elements within your footage, and Blend to merge two different videos into one cohesive style. Plus, Loop makes it easy to produce endlessly cycling animations perfect for social media. While Sora's output quality is state-of-the-art, it isn't dramatically ahead of existing competitors. However, its integrated editing environment and rich set of features provide a significant convenience boost. In terms of pricing, Sora is tied directly to ChatGPT subscriptions. With ChatGPT Plus, at $20 per month, you get up to 50 priority video generations at up to 720p resolution and 5-second durations. For heavier usage, the $200 per month ChatGPT Pro plan offers up to 500 priority videos, unlimited relaxed generations, and superior output quality, up to 1080p resolution and 20-second clips. Pro users can also download videos without watermarks. Although initial access may be slow due to heavy demand, the release of Sora marks a turning point. It's a specialized tool for serious creators, offering professional-grade editing capabilities alongside high-quality AI video generation, all from a single web-based platform.